we can have up to 4 microphones connected from the live room into here. Microphones get fed to the preamplifier. We adjust the level of the gain. We're using a stereo MS, so we adjust it together. The main gain settings here, which we can then trim here. Just turn the filter off so they're both the same. Comes into the audio interface like that. Now, we'll talk back mic here. Input is number 8 on the interface, number 8 input. And for that reason, we need to have Pro Tools input output set up so that input number 8 is selected for input, and I've labeled it talkback mic. Output, we need 2 sets of outputs. We need stereo out for the speakers left, right, and then we need a headphone output, which is 7 and 8, because the output of the 7 and 8 on the interface output, which is down here. If I speak now, you can see 7 and 8 going out, which is connected to the headphone amplifier. From the headphone amplifier, it goes then into that room. Now we're hearing some feedback from the headphones themselves in the room, microphone picking up that signal, then bring it back into this room. That's what we're hearing at this moment. So microphone talkback goes into input 8. Our output 7 and 8 are routed to the headphone amplifier, and then this cable here, see this cable here, if I turn the level down, you hear nothing coming back, because the output of the first headphone amplifier goes to that headphone amplifier. So I'm controlling the level going from headphone amplifier here on headphone 1 connects to that headphone amplifier, and from that headphone amplifier you can individually adjust the headphone level. Yeah, and that's it. Then to get this to work in Pro Tools, I need to have 2 buses. I need a stereo out, as you know, to get sound out of Pro Tools. I need a talkback out, which should really be headphone out. So let me relabel that. Headphone out. So that I've got a stereo, headphone, physical output. My bus is labeled headphone out, and input is the talkback mic. So that's correct. That's now correct. Inside Pro Tools, the concept is MS Stereo. I want to hear through these speakers what's coming in from the microphone. I want to hear that. That is why I choose the stereo output, to route the microphone signal to my speakers. The talkback mic, now this is the danger. Everyone listening? The danger is if I was to choose stereo, and if the microphone is on, which it is, let me turn it off so we don't have accidents. If it was on, it would create a massive feedback loop. Could blow up the speakers. So I'm safer to turn the output for the talkback mic completely off. Turn it off. Then use a send to go out to that headphone amplifier, which is 7 and 8. Headphone out. Headphone out. Not stereo out. Then I can adjust the level through the send, how much level gets sent to 7 and 8, which ultimately goes out of the headphone amplifier. Now, similarly with the microphone, your Foley artist or your voiceover artist may want to hear their own voice. Yeah, we can hear the microphone coming into this studio because we're listening to output stereo, so we can hear the microphone coming in. But for the artist inside, it quite often is important for them to hear. So then I'm using this same send, headphone out, and I can adjust how much level for that channel that they can hear. So this is a way, if you've got many, many different tracks, you may have someone coming in to do a voiceover. So for this scene, you may have someone's pre-recorded voice is a guide or some other actor's voice that they want to hear. So then you would use the same concept. So if I have a track, another track with actor's voice, if they want to hear that, then the same concept. You need to send to the headphone amplifier. That's the concept, so that they can hear what's coming, either being played back or what they are recording new material.